In this particular video, I'm going to be showing you step by step on how to make money on coin arbitrage opportunities which are available in crypto space. Okay, so if most of you that doesn't know what coin arbitrage is when you buy a coin low, then you go to another exchange to sell it high. Okay, so we're gonna be using this particular Hopi. So if you take a look at this particular coin called Hopi, okay, this particular coin is being sold for 0.00, you can see that 0.00017, which is very cheap. Okay, so but we are gonna be going to the second exchange where you can actually buy this particular coin more low. Okay, so also remember, I'm not a financial advisor. Okay, what I'm teaching you here is actually what we do on daily basis to make some profit from the market. Okay, so when you do it over and over again, you make more profit. Okay, so the coin is actually very high in the second exchange, which is a popular exchange which we're gonna be using. Okay, so if you doesn't understand how coin arbitrage actually work, what you really gonna be doing is to join my class. We already have a class where we'll teach you step by step on how to start coin arbitrage and be profitable. So you can send me a message on WhatsApp or Telegram. The contact is down below this video. Okay, so over here, let's go to the second exchange. As you can see over here, this is the price, which is 30174. Okay, also remember, told you guys in my video about hidden fees. Okay, there are some coins that has hidden fees on it, so you need to identify that kind of coin and see if the opportunity that is available in it is not much. What you really gonna do is to stay away from that particular coin, because the profit will not cover the fees. Okay, as you can see, this is the second exchange which we need to use for this particular arbitrage. So you can see this is the name of the coin, which is Hopi. So now if you take a look at Hopi, you can type the name over here. Okay, so now if you take a look at here, this is the price of this particular token. Okay, so which is once you come over to buy and sell, you can be able to see it clearly. Okay, so this is the price, 0.000003. okay, so you can now see the difference between this particular coin here and the other place. But because of the hidden fees which you need to be cautioned about, so and the profit that is involved in this particular trade is very high, so it can actually be able to cover the prices. Okay, the transaction. So once you are if you are doing it with as low as 10 USDT or 50 USDT, the profit that is involved in it is very high to cover the hidden fee. The next thing which we're gonna be doing right now is to go, like I said, if you doesn't understand coin arbitrage, the next thing you need to do is to come for the class, so I can teach you step by step on how to do it. And we already have a VIP group where I send this kind of signals on daily basis. Okay, so the next thing which we're gonna be needing to do right now is to go and see the fee that is involved in this particular trade, because it is very low here. So we are gonna be, once we buy it from here, then we withdraw it from here to the other exchange. You can use Phantom as the other exchange or Trust Wallet. Okay, or you can register desk screener, okay, and use it. So this is Hopi here. Okay, so let's come for Hopi here and see. This is on chain withdrawal. So if you take a look at here, like I said before, the withdrawal, the hidden fee is very high. So because this coin is being built under ETH, so that is the reason why the fee is very high. Okay, but the coin is very profitable if you are using 20 USDT or 50 USDT as a case study for this kind of for this transaction. Actually, what you're really gonna be getting is around 120 USDT as a profit, okay, but the fee that is attached to it is almost 55 USDT, okay, for the transaction fee. So if you are using 50 USDT, at the end of the day, you're really gonna be getting around 10 to 15 USDT as a profit. So once you do it over and over again, you can now be able to do what, to make much more profit from this particular trade, okay. So it's still very profitable, okay. So that is it. So now once you can see over here, you're really gonna be paying a fee of 100,000 hopi, okay, and that is not the end. The other exchange is still gonna charge you this 100,000, so, and the plus the hidden fee. So this is what you really need to know about hopi, okay. So the hopi is very, very profitable at the moment, so you can trade it and start making money from it. And if you want to be getting daily signals from us, in our VIP group, you can do well to join our VIP group. It costs you only 30 USDT. Also remember, again, I'm not a financial advisor, okay. If you doesn't know how to use the market to trade, you first of all learn the strategy before you start making use of it, okay. So this is how it actually works. So in my next video, I'm gonna be talking much on how you can also use limit orders to execute the trade, this kind of coin in this one particular exchange, and make money from it. Thank you. Peace out.